right, we're at Mingo Falls again.
Again.
We're not coming back until we find Upper Falls.
We're gonna try this again. We saw a trail on the way back last time that we thought is the one.
From what I saw online, that is the one that
okay.
you use. So
and we're like, wait, there's a trail going up there. But we should have taken that one.
We think we were probably on the right trail at one point, though.
Right. I think the other place just kind of maybe went straighter up.
Yeah. So
we're gonna see. We keep going. We might get scratched up and wet, but here we go.
Hasn't rained though, so maybe it won't be as bad.
True.
All right.
Okay, we're at the top of the steps, and we're pretty sure this is the trail.
So, it doesn't look like a trail on here. Yeah, this trail, I don't know if it's any better than the one we took last time. It's very overgrown. And very, very narrow.
Not too much farther than this, but a little. Just a bit.
This trail is even worse than we remember it being.
Yeah. It was wet last time though.
That's true.
Ow. Ow. Okay, this is where we turned around last time. We think.
It's hard to tell because it's just bushes.
Honestly, I don't know if even on this you could see a trail at all. It's right there. But up here you can't see it.
Yeah.
So last time we turned around because it felt like we were being steered away from the river and we weren't sure if this was right.
We decided that we're on the wrong trail again.
So we stopped to eat some tuna.
And this is what's right in front of us. It's like just briars all around. I mean, you can't even... We just feel like we've gone too far again. Too far, and we're headed way away from the creek, so...
And this is a painful trail.
There's so many briars. So we're gonna go back down and try a different trail, but... It's maybe another one that beats us. Dang it.
I'll get kind of farther back. There you go. Oh my gosh! This trail is so painful. That was a good shot.
A good spot.
This is up there for the worst trail ever. Okay, so we're coming to the place where we forked off to the left when we came up the trail right after the stairs. So we're gonna try taking the right, which should just be going straight right here. So we came up this way, and we're gonna go this way instead of this way. So toward the right.
Yeah, we don't have a clue what we're doing.
Yeah.
In case you can't tell.
So,
but we probably just did all that horribleness for nothing.
For absolutely nothing. And that is not even the first time we did that.
And we're all scratched up.
Yes. Bleeding slightly.
Yep.
This day doesn't look much better right now. Can hear the creek though.
The creek, yeah. We should have known. Okay, it said to go left at the next junction, so we think this might be it. There's the main trail down. This one goes off to the left, so we're gonna try this one.
So we took that left. Now I guess this is the next left. So there's like one straight down.
We came up last time, and then we went this way.
Up this way.
Yeah. This makes way more sense.
We can hear the falls.
The rock scramble. how close we were.
There's the fence.
Are you kidding me?
That is the fence.
We sat down there, right down there, that clearing and rested, and we were like, let's go this way.
Okay, here's the fence that we were reading about in the blog. That was really fast.
Wow. Oh, and here's a rock scramble.
Yep.
Can you believe it, Beth?
No.
I cannot believe how close we were.
It hurts.
It hurts a little, especially because my baby is scratched up. Look how steep that is. Can you see that?
Oh, this fence is here again.
Look at all the dead trees.
Okay, now where do we go? We just go straight
Oh,
all the way
scramble
up?
over the rock.
All the way up?
I think we'll probably see it hopefully on the other side.
Okay. Man, that wasn't even...
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's what it needs. Oh yeah.
Okay, we keep going up or around that way?
Maybe. That's what I'm thinking. So that's the top of the... Oh yeah, you can see it. Like that.
We did it!
Feels nice and cool.
Gosh.
That leads to one of the options.
Maybe.
We're going to try to see the lower portion of the Upper Falls. We're going to go this way. We don't know if we'll be able to or not. We may have to creek walk a little too.
All right, we made it. This cool tree, look. Under. So this is the lower section. You can kind of see all the way up. Yeah, you can see the top, and this is the bottom part. Look up.
That was fun.
That was fun. Ah! This is pretty steep though, but honestly not dangerous. You slid all the way down, no worries. Right, back down.
We're going to wrap up here because the trail's too narrow
Yeah.
for us to stand side by
It's a
side.
nice, this is a nice sitting place.
All right, well, the actual trail to Upper Mingo, it's steep,
Yeah,
but it's short.
and
The first trail we took was not
it
short.
was way easier.
We got real lost.
Kind of like hit yourself in the head kind of easier, like, oh my goodness.
Like, what have we done? Yeah. But it was gorgeous, and nobody here.
No, this is so pretty
Most
right
people
here.
don't know about this one, I think, so keep it a secret.
Yeah. Yeah, don't tell anybody.
But it was really fun. We're a little annoyed at ourselves, but
Yeah, and there's part of us too that were like, where does that trail go?
yeah, we're
Because
gonna,
it's a real trail.
right.
So, who knows?
It used to go somewhere. Like it's been traveled on.
Yeah.
Not recently, probably.
Right, and it's been built up with like really huge stones, like purposely.
Yeah, like some of the parts where it would be really steep on the side. There's
Yeah,
like,
it's
almost
actually
like a-
made. The trail was actually made.
Yeah.
So,
We're
it's
on
for
the
something.
Yeah, we're on the Indian reservation, so who knows?
Yeah. It could have been
knows if
from
it
a
was-
really long
yeah.
time ago. ancient trail.
This one's fun. We might actually do this one again.
Yeah.
Go the right way the first time. If we want to have one to ourselves, it's a good one for sure.
Yeah. Be nice too after the water's up a little bit. It might be pretty.
Oh yeah, that'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Head home one day.
The end
Next
for this
Thursday.
one. Thank God it didn't kick our butts completely again.
We are scratched up and bleeding, both of us.
Yeah, I put water in my arms and it stung really bad. I have all these little scratches all over the
And
place.
our pants are covered in hitchhikers.
That's it.